Hello, Guava. I am Queen of Bees. Can we make beehive here?
No, you all are go away from here and don't come back.
Hey, Queen of Bees, don't worry about it. You can make your beehive in our mango tree. We all happy about it.
Yes, you can make beehive here. We don't have any problem.
That man have axe he come for cutting tree?
This was not enough. I have to cut mango tree also.
Oh no, that guy now come here and cutting our tree. Thank you, Queen of Bees. You save use from that guy.